Okay.
Nigeria is stronger than normal Nigeria. This is normal material. It's
normal material.
Yes, not material.
Not be Nigeria. I've been in Nigeria.
No, this is not Nigeria.
Which country with this one?
Nigeria. If you see Nigeria, but it's not Nigeria. It's foreign material.
Okay,
this is
foreign material.
Yes, this is solid king.
Okay.
If you touch the material, they're different. This one.
Okay.
And this one, not sensing.
Okay.
They're different. This is Nigeria, but it was slicing. The best for the three. But if you don't go for Nigeria, sorry king is good. But Nigeria is the best.
Nigeria is the best.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Nigeria is the best.
Okay.
Because the thickness. Let me show you a sample.
Okay.
This is Nigeria. Hold it. This falling. Hold it.
This one get weight. This one light. Where
the difference? The thickness of this guarantee for many years. If you fix this one for a house, many years nothing amendment. I've had to fix it and plumb it well. Yes, no amendment.
Wow.
If you like open it, I want to open it. It remains Nigeria because of the thickness of it.
Yes.
This one is sorry. It's 2-3 years. And one funny thing of this, once you begin to slack, 2-3 times, you cannot squeeze again for that particular place. This one, no problem.
And you look for any video at all, you know, come nowhere a day with the different website. So you will see at www.edotalkshow.com.ng. Any video where you find all of the day into segment for there. Edo Talk Show. My name is Godwin Osamuyi. Now we don't know. My airport today will come bring to now one good news, one good news. So you will they look for Alumako man. We want do better window for you, original window for you. Maybe say in fact, if you see and you go like and where maybe say the window go straight and they go use better material to work for you. Now UB Aluminium. UB Aluminium they for number 4 power line opposite NEPA transmission for Sapler Road there. Now it just is this man in they do better work on anything concern window work for Alumako matter a day. Whether Alumako door now you want do, I've been a window you want do. Anyone when they find, it will do it for you the way you take one time. Make cannot talk too much now. I want comedy man can tell us how it they do and how much it they do this type of job we see get for grant as of today. I don't talk show. My name is Godwin Samuyi. I don't know. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
What sir?
What sir?
My name is Samuyi of the talk show. Your name, sir?
My name is Ubamon.
UB Aluminium. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what can I do for our company?
We are producing windows, casement, toilet doors, then slicing doors, slicing window, any kinds of windows. We can give you the quality ones. We need Nigeria, I'll give you Nigeria. We need solid king, give you solid king. We need normal material, give you normal material. Like what we deal with. What you want is what we give to you. If you go for the best, we make sure we deliver the best for you. Whatever you need, what we give to you, to your own taste.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, until they do, you say whether we need to give to our own test.
Yes. In the sense that some people will say they need Nigeria.
Okay.
Nigeria is stronger than normal Nigeria. This is normal material. It's normal
material.
Yes. Not material.
Not be Nigeria. I've been in Nigeria.
No, this is not Nigeria.
Which country with this one?
Nigeria. If you see Nigeria, but it's not Nigeria. It's foreign material.
Okay. This is foreign material.
Yes, this is solid king.
Okay.
If you touch the material, they're different. This one.
Okay.
And this one, not sensing.
Okay.
They're different. This is Nigeria, but it was slicing. The best for the three. But if you don't go for Nigeria, sorry king is good. But Nigeria is the best.
Nigeria is the best.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Nigeria is the best.
Okay.
Because the thickness. Let me show you a sample.
Okay.
This is Nigeria. Hold it. This is falling. Hold it.
This one get weight. This one light. Where
the difference? The thickness of this guarantee for many years. If you fix this one for a house, many years nothing amendment. I've had to fix it and plumb it well. Yes, no amendment.
Wow.
If you like open it, I want to open it. It remains Nigeria because of the thickness of it.
Yes.
This one is foreign. Or it's 2-3 years. And one funny thing of this, when once you begin to slack, 2-3 times, you cannot squeeze again for that particular place. This one, no problem.
No get problem at all. So it could be say our own team for here now come better pass when they come from Obodo Igbo.
The best thing is good.
Exactly.
Anything one you Nigeria, even the toilet door. If you Nigeria, if you open it door, I don't have it here. Even Nigeria toilet door is like, in fact, if you wait alone.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
All right. Okay. You tell us now how much for all of them now as DSO.
This is foreign.
This foreign.
Yes. With the sustainment potato, but we need to carry potato inside here.
Okay. This one they go with
Yes,
potato.
yes. Put pass through here.
Okay.
So
This how many feet window be this?
This 5 feet
5 feet window.
by 3 feet.
Okay.
5 by 4 feet.
Okay. How much now?
150.
150,000 naira.
Okay.
With the rod that be?
With the rod, with the net.
With the net?
Yes. It's all the fixes for you, no stress.
Wow.
This one is solid king. It's 4 feet by 4 feet. You go 160.
160
with the rod.
with the rod.
Yes.
160.
But Nigeria is not for casement. It's 180 with the same size.
Okay. Oga, what if I don't get potato for my house?
This one now have potato for your house, for the house. That's why I don't see potato.
Okay.
This one so.
This one without potato.
You have potato. 130.
130.
Yes. If you get potato for your house, after I don't put it, you come to your house.
Yes.
Bring weather. You remove the old one, they will frame it inside this track.
Wow.
There will be nets here. Look at it here. There's net at the back. Put that with it in between.
Okay.
So anytime you know they have issue, you can put it out by yourself outside. Those whoever want to come and change it, you can fit it back by yourself. Without anybody entering your house.
Wow, wait.
Without potato, 130.
130. Okay. What about this one?
The same thing, same size.
Okay, the same one with that toilet will be that one.
This one a small passage.
A small passage. So this one how much now?
80.
80,000 naira. Wow. Okay. What about this small ones right there?
This toilet window is 40. But if it has potato inside, it's 60. This one is the old house. We are changing the old window to put new window, but we use the same potato.
Okay.
Inside the one.
Okay. This one is 80 now, be?
Yes. With potato.
Without potato.
16 potato.
Yes.
Without potato is 30.
Okay. All right. What about this one?
The same size. It says 4 by 4.
Okay. So the price for when we talk now for Sonic King Nabi?
Sonic King, yes, for Sonic King.
Okay. So we want
normal material.
Normal material.
Without potato is 120.
Without potato?
Yes.
120.
120.
Wow.
They will carry net.
You carry net?
Yes. The potato is 160. On face it.
Okay, we pay to 160. Okay. So you said to these ones?
Yes, the same size.
Same size with these ones too?
Yes.
Okay. We'll see our Nigeria.
This though it's slicing.
Okay.
You cannot bend it, nothing.
Wow.
You can't.
So how much of this now?
Slicing is 80,000 for Nigeria.
For Nigeria?
Yes.
80,000 naira.
It is slicing window with net.
With net. Okay, now they just
okay. The thing is, the material is mine. What you want to do? Like this one now, the length is like a sample. Nigeria is 27,000. Buy foreign is 10,500.
10,500
for length. Check the difference.
Okay, sir. Alright, sir. Okay, we don't see the just with the ESO. Now that we see shows again.
Okay.
Okay. What you say? Go on, tell us again.
This Nigeria and foreign. Nigeria will only order for it and book for it and wait like 2-3 weeks. Okay. Company give you 3 weeks for you to order it. But this one is foreign. It's everywhere. Why is it everywhere that it's common material? You can see everywhere.
Okay, this one now. You mean say I'll come book.
You come book. If I pay like now, I want to use Nigeria work. Nigeria, you book for it.
Okay, if I don't pay you,
you don't pay.
Then you call book put.
Yes.
I'll still give you 2 weeks, maybe take other
3 weeks. 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Come on, give you 3 weeks.
For you to go big and come home.
For town and
Lagos. Want to do the work.
No. 3 weeks.
Okay, after that 3 weeks, how many days because it take me for the work?
The work, no, once done about 2. It depends on the quality, how big is the work.
Okay.
2 weeks, 1 week, 3 weeks. Yes.
It depends how
yes.
Okay.
3 weeks. Yes. 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Installation. Yes.
That's almost 2 months.
Not 2 months now. I know all the 2 months.
Yeah.
3 weeks plus 3 weeks.
That's almost 2 months.
1 month is a month. Yes, now.
A month plus.
It's one thing, you see the person that will use for you. Like this track now. Look at this.
Okay.
Look at this one. This one thing about this is foreign.
Because this is foreign.
This is Nigeria.
This is Nigeria.
You cannot. So it's difficult. You have in mind to use it the best.
Okay. So this was now the use for now work now be?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Just see what you really get for us for today, and your work really did nice, well. So all this price now, is it negotiable?
Yes, negotiable.
It is negotiable.
Yes.
Okay. What if I want carry you go my site now? Say I want to do some window. I know say you know the size of my window. So you won't go measure around for site first. The transportation, how they be?
It depends on the if within Benin here, no transportation.
If na within Benin here.
Yes.
If na within Benin here, Okada na Benin.
No, Okada no Benin.
Within Oluku na Benin.
No problem. Yes, Oluku is okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Alright, so within Benin here.
Yes, no transportation. Outside Benin, like Okada, Romi, Ekpoma, Irwa, Sobog, Foga, anything at least those things, Bubaka, Uredo, all these are
okay.
Yeah,
so that's one I free.
Can do it myself. Yes.
You can do it yourself.
Yes.
What if I'm not gonna give you the job?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
It's one at times you make sure not give you, make sure they give you.
Okay.
That's all about work. The one thing is if you give me your work, that's grace. I deliver what you want.
Thank you, sir. So, Oga, this sharing your window, so the price we give us, so the price of installation
yes, inside.
Transportation won't take care from here.
Inside. Yes.
Let me say if I don't do it, you can't say, Oga,
no transport, no money for installation. All is inside. What they do for me now be clear. It's out there or install it.
Okay, only be clear to
yes.
Okay.
Be clear. Without be clear, I'm install.
Thank you, sir. So you give us your phone number and address.
Oh, my phone number is 080 33 65 62 40. WhatsApp number 070 44 64 37 56.
Come again.
080 33 65 62 40. WhatsApp number 070 44 64 37 56.
Okay, thank you.
This again, about 4 Power Line Street off Sabre Road, Benin City, Edo State.
Thank you. All right, for you to look at the climax of the day, UB Aluminium. I tell you, I say this man or guy for inside aluminium matter. You see all the windows when you do, he can tell us say they get foreign, they get Nigeria own. Inside the foreign, you still get the normal one for inside though. You say you still use. They got that one Nigeria product they call Sonic King. Don't see they there, but our real Nigeria, that Nigeria put down a product nice strong pass, is strong well. The money dey different from those Sony King and the other one be say na foreign. I be say our own thing na ogbonge for this side, na we no value our thing. So our oga come let us know say that Nigeria own na be the best. If you wan do, make you buy that Nigeria own. But if you say no, you like that Sony King, your own choice, no wahala. Abi you like the other that foreign, no wahala. Anyone, e dey gidigba for you, e go do am for you the way you take want am. My people, they say sin is believing and a trial will convince you. If 4 numbers at the top, e dey my bottom, and e address na number 4 power line opposite impact transmission for Sapele Road. Once you call am, e go answer you gbaga. He tell you say in your own transportation to your side, he say as far as na Benin na free o, make you no get wahala at all, and all the price, the installation e follow am. You see am say this man na baba. UB aluminium na baba for inside aluminium matter. You will forget, don't forget this video, or you will look for any other video. We dey for website you see am www.edotalkshow.com.ng. Any video wey you dey find a day inside there, and you go get everything. But for this UB aluminium, my people, no forget am at all. Call am, may give you that better job when you dey find. Edo Talk Show, my name is Godwin Osamoye. Now we don't know.